Hello and welcome to myminimaths.co.uk video tutorials. First of all, we're going to look at question 23a, which is 4 squared plus 20. So we take the 4 squared, which is 4 times 4, which is 16, and we add the 20. So we add the 16 and the 20 together, we get a total of 36, which can go in here. And the next question, which is 23b, is 5 squared, subtract or take away 10. So first of all, if we look at the 5 squares, that's 5 squares times 5 squared to give us our 5 square, and that gives us a total of 25, and we're going to subtract 10 from that. So when we take the 25, subtract the 10, it gives us a total of 15. And for the next question, which is 23c, it's the other way around this time. It's 40 subtract 3 squared. Now, the thing to remember here is the 3 squared as part of BODMAS, or some people call it BIDMAS as well. Okay, we need to make sure we calculate the power, the index here, before the subtraction question. So, first of all, we have 40, and we're going to subtract that 3 squared, which is 9. So when we take the 40, subtract the 9, it gives us a total final answer of 31. And for the final question of today's tutorial, which is question 23d, it's 10 squared plus 7. So, first of all, the 10 squared, which is 10 multiplied by 10, which equals 100. And then we're going to add the 7 from down here. And altogether, 100 plus the 7 gives us a total of 107. Thank you very, very much for watching today's tutorial, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Take care, bye.